everybody, welcome to KINDnSAVAGE. Today we're going to play a little game called What's That Noise? Where I try to guess what the song is. Should I guess it based off of artist and song, or can I just get one or the two and that counts as a correct answer?
Artist and song, because you know songs really well.
Yeah, but there's a lot of songs out there. We'll give it a shot. Anyways, I'm going to try to guess what song and artist it is based off of the noise that she's going to create from her mouth. Or you can use your hands or your body or whatever it is you want to use. But really, you're not allowed to use lyrics, not allowed to use words. It just has to be sounds and noises. So this ought to be a little bit interesting, at least we hope. If you're new to the channel, which you probably are, don't be afraid to like and subscribe as usual, and by all means leave some comments below. We appreciate them. Alright, so here we go with the first one.
I'm not good at singing or anything.
Listen.
I'm not a beatboxer.
I don't know many people that are, so let's just the goal is, by the way, your goal isn't to stump me, okay? Just so we're clear. Your goal is to help me get it right.
Wait, what?
Your goal is to help me get it right. Your goal is not to stump me, okay? You want me to be able to guess it based off of what noises you're doing.
I thought we were against each other.
No. This is a cohesive experience here. I need you.
Bum, bum, bum.
What the hell? Bum. Is that it?
No, I'm trying to.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum.
Bum, 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 bum,
Do,
bum.
do, do, do. Do, do. I can only hear myself through the microphone, so
No,
I don't
you're
know
fine. You're fine.
how it sounds.
You're fine. You're fine. I'm trying to. Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I'm trying to throw all the sounds in there. It's difficult.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm completely lost right now.
You should know this one. Bum, 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 bum. I kind of went with the song on that part.
Bum, 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 bum.
Bum, 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 bum.
Okay. How about this? Give me a hint of what genre of music it is. Is it hip hop? Is it R&B?
I don't know genres.
You don't know what hip hop music is? You don't know what R&B is?
If I tell you a clue, you're automatically gonna know what it is.
You gotta give me something.
Go off my body language as well.
Oh my god.
Bum, 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 bum. That's not how it goes, but that's what's going on singing.
What? Okay.
I should have practiced this.
All right. I'm gonna call it quits on this one. I don't know.
I'll give you a hint. It has to do with your childhood. Your favorite song. Poster.
Poster.
Mm-hmm.
Poster. My childhood.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh! Hold up. Britney Spears.
What song?
Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again.
Nope. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, the song stopped. I can hear myself now.
Okay, we'll keep going. Do it again. I'm close on this one.
Boom, 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 boom.
Is it
boom?
Oh my god, I'm drawing
There's
a blank.
Boom, ta, boom, ta, boom.
Boom, ta.
I'm sorry for anyone who's listening to this.
Baby, one more time.
Yes.
Baby, one more time. That was what it was. Okay, I got one.
I stopped the song.
Oh my gosh.
And I could see how I sounded without it, and I'm sorry.
That was no. You have no idea how hard that was. That was rough. If it wouldn't have been for the clue, oh man, there's no way.
He's the singer. I'm not musically inclined.
No, that was fun though. All right, so what do you got?
Does it make sense now that you know what it is?
Yeah, it was hard because she has a lot of beats that are very kind of poppy and similar. I can't talk right now.
I thought my papers had a list of songs that I had.
So, yeah, so I'm just going to precursor right now. If you had a list of songs prior to this that was like designed to stump me,
No,
like
it was just songs that I randomly picked.
you want to go with things I can guess.
The Britney one.
Well, that was a blast from the past. So here we go with the second one. What do you got?
No, I'm not gonna do that. I can't do that. Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Bum. I guess you could call this hip hop. Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum.
You got me said.
Bum bum, bum bum.
Okay,
Bum, bum.
can you do any other noises other than bum bum?
I can't make the other noises.
Just give me something because it sounds like you're just doing like the kick or the bass line.
It's the same sound through the whole thing.
Like you can't make a noise to like the lyrics.
Shh. Ba-da-bum, 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 ba-da-bum.
What?
Bum bum.
Okay.
It's gonna be harder than you thought, isn't it?
So this is hip hop, right?
Mm-hmm. It's
Okay.
like when we were growing up.
Are you talking about 90s or early 2000s?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my god.
I just listened to the songs. I don't know.
Oh.
Hold on.
I'm lost. You got me on this one. I have no clue.
Hold on. Yeah, it's the same sound throughout the whole thing. So.
Okay.
Bum, bum,
That's not helping.
bum, bum.
That's not helping. Oh my gosh.
It has to do with physically doing something to someone.
That could be anything. You're literally
Use your mind.
You're physically doing something to me right now. What are you?
Bum, ba-da-bum,
Oh
ba-da-bum,
god.
ba-bum, ba-bum, bum, 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 bum. It's aggressive. Bum, bum.
No, you're
Bum,
getting
bum.
more aggressive. That's the difference.
You would know how I'm feeling right now if you knew the song.
I don't.
Do you want me to just tell you?
Yeah.
Move. Get out the way.
Okay, you couldn't do. You should have did like a rhythm to that.
What?
You
That
should have
was.
did a rhythm.
Bum,
No, you should have did like a rhythm to the lyrics without like saying the lyrics. You know what I'm saying?
So like kind of like humming it.
Well, you could hum it,
Oh, you didn't say you could hum
or
it.
like it's you have to make a noise. You can't use the actual word. You can't use actual words and lyrics.
But now that you know
But
the
you
song,
can make sounds that sound like the lyrics.
do you want to hear the song?
No, I know the song.
Right now, I can't play
It's
the
by
song.
Ludacris, right? Yeah. You can. Yeah, we're good. Yeah,
The song makes you grab, makes you want to push somebody.
don't push too hard. Don't push too What do you got next?
So you got one score and one not score.
Yeah, I'm good at counting.
My mind just went blank. That's why I had
Just
a list.
Think of something that's easy, right? It's like right at the tip of everybody's like, oh yeah, I know that song.
Boom. Oh, it's harder when there are higher up sounds. Boom. Bum, bum. Bum. Bum, bum, bum. 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 Boom. Bum. 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 Ba-bum, bum, ba-bum, bum, bum. Ba-bum. The beat to this one is kind of like, it's like, ba-bum, ba-bum, bum, bum.
You're taking me on a journey there. Oh my god.
How do you not know it?
Should have been a saxophone player. Oh god.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, ba, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum.
I know the song.
Bum, 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 bum. I pause the song so I can hear myself.
No, I know the song. I have no idea who sings it.
Oh well.
Or the name of it.
But you don't have to know the singer in all of them. That's just like.
No, but I don't know the name of the song or the singer.
Oh.
But I know the song you're talking about.
Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum.
I know the song. I got the song. What's it called?
You're not even gonna guess.
I have no idea
It
what
starts
it's.
with an F.
Okay, it's a newer song.
No.
Yeah, it is. It's not that old.
It's Fireflies.
Yeah, you're right.
And it's by Owl City.
Okay, it's not a newer song.
I'm like, no, it's not.
Well, no. So I had it mixed up with a different thing.
Definitely let us know in the comments if you get any of them right. With my horrible beat making.
This is tough. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. Of course, I mean.
For you and me both.
Yeah, well, I think it would be a lot easier if we swapped places.
What? I want to be able to guess any of the names.
Oh,
I mean, like, the artist who sings it.
Yeah.
Next song. Boom. Boom. Could I snap?
Yeah.
Boom. 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 Bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba, bum. Bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Try to think what I listen to a lot too as well. Bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, bum. I feel like if I hum it, you're gonna know.
Well, that's the point.
Bum, 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 bum.
Is this a country
I'm
song?
trying not to sing it.
Is this a country song?
Yes. Well,
If it's meant to be, let it be.
yes, you got it right. Who sings it?
Is it Jason Aldean? No. No, it's not Jason Aldean. I don't, dude.
It's by Baby Rexa?
Yeah, so the thing.
Featuring Florida, Georgia line.
So, unfortunately, I'm not really good with modern country singers because they just pop up by the dozen nowadays.
Is he new? This song's kind of old.
I'm saying modern
Oh.
country singers. I'm not.
Oh, I got one.
Like, I've heard the songs, but.
Oh, I got another one too. Let's do this one first. I'm trying to think
You're
of
like-
what
you're like-
songs you listen to as
You're like literally picking. So the Britney Spears one was good because that was like that's blast from the past. The Ludacris one wasn't bad either. I could not make out that song from what you were doing.
If I would have hummed it, you would have figured it out.
Probably.
I didn't know I could hum.
And the
Baby Rexa.
The
If I'm
Fireflies
saying her name
one,
right.
the Fireflies one, like I was right on the cusp of it, and then I got mixed up, and it was just, the country one, no. So like the more modern you go, it actually gets harder for me, which is kind of weird. It's kind of crazy. Maybe that means I'm aging.
I listen to that song a lot though.
Oh,
They're meant to
don't
be
want to
one.
think about that.
You'll know this one.
Okay, all right, here we go.
Bum, 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 bada, bum, 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 bum,
You're gonna
bum,
miss me
bum,
when
bum,
I'm
bum,
gone?
bum. Yep.
That's. We're rolling on to the last one. So what do you got for the last one?
You should get this one.
We'll see.
It's country, but other stuff. But you should know
It's
this one.
country. Yeah, well, go ahead.
Okay. Bum bum t, bum 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 t. Bum 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 t. Bum 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 bum. Dum.
That I just want to let you know, this sounds nothing like a country song that I've ever heard. So.
Like I said, it's not just country. I went off the chorus right now. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, okay.
Bum bum.
Old Town Road.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who sings it? You have to get it right, or you lose
it-
everything.
Is it like Little Nas or something? His name? Little Nas or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Little Nas X. Who is it featuring?
Hold on.
Bonus points.
Billy Ray Cyrus.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
That was an easy one.
Good old Billy Ray. All right, so for the last one, here we go.
I'm like skipping around because if I do it, you'll know. If I do the whole thing, you'll know.
That's the point. I'm supposed to know.
I'm supposed to make it difficult.
No, you're not. You're playing against the game. It's like Pictionary or charades,
Okay, hold on.
but like with musical form. Oh, this is a song from Fast and Furious 7, right? It's been a long road, or is it long time? Don't sing the.
You what?
Is it long time or long road?
Neither.
It's been a long. Without you, my friend. I don't. What did they call this?
See you again.
See you again. Oh,
Who is it by?
I knew that.
See, I said if I sung the whole thing, you would
okay.
know what it was.
Well, okay, so it's "See You Again," but wasn't Wiz Khalifa in it?
Yeah, he's a singer. Who's it featuring? You probably won't get.
Was it One Republic?
You probably won't get the feature.
Was it One Republic?
Oh, it's Charlie Puth.
I don't
Puth.
I don't even know why I said One Republic. I just threw that out there. Brain is not computing too well right now. You got me like mentally like with some of your yeah. That was a lot harder than what I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, next time you can do.
But
do
at
it
the
to
same
me.
time, I got you working against me. You're supposed to be like helping me achieve the song.
I could have did like Frozen.
That would have been cool.
I was going to, but then I didn't.
There's a north wind.
You probably still wouldn't even got that one.
Oh, I don't know, man.
fail.
So,
You should have been more clear about me wanting to get you to win.
I was very clear in the beginning. And up front in the beginning, I was like, this is a cohesive effort. We are one.
Let us know down below if you got any of them right.
Whoa, they know the answers.
They could guess as they're watching it.
Yeah, but the question is, how many of them are going to be honest about it? Or are they just going to say that they do?
I would just say I got all of them.
I know you would. That's why.
If I did bad, I wouldn't have commented. I'm like, I got all of them.
Without further ado, that's what we call "What's That Noise?"